Should you work with a financial advisor? That's a fair question to ask in today's day and age. You can find information on your phone, on your computer, on TV. You can find financial information just about anywhere these days. So it's fair to ask the question, should you even work with a financial advisor? And so in today's video, we're going to discuss that together. I'm going to give you 4 questions to ask yourself. If you can answer yes to these questions, then that's going to lead you on the track that maybe you can try investing your monies, your retirement, whatever that may be for yourself. Maybe you can try doing it on your own. If you're answering no to the questions I'm about to ask, or you have no clue what I'm talking about, that's going to lead you in the direction that you should probably sit down with a financial professional. So before making a decision for yourself, ask yourself these questions. Question number 1, do you have a fair knowledge of investments? Do you know what stocks and bonds are? Do you know what fixed income is? Do you know what equities are? Or do you know what alternative investments are? If you can answer some of those questions, fantastic. If you can't, again, that leads you in a direction that maybe you should work with a financial advisor. Question number 2, do you enjoy reading about wealth management and financial topics and researching specific assets? If you're someone that will sit down on a Saturday morning with a cup of coffee and read the Wall Street Journal, go on your computer to read and watch Yahoo Finance, fantastic. Again, it's going to probably lead you in the direction that try this on your own, see if you like it. If you're someone that can't even fathom doing that for yourself, again, it's going to lead you in the direction that maybe you should sit down and talk with a financial professional. The third question to ask yourself, do you have expertise in financial instruments? What the heck are financial instruments? Equities, fixed income, alternative investments, options, just to name a few. Do you know what equities are? They're stocks. Within that, do you know what mutual funds are? Do you know what ETFs are, exchange traded funds? Again, if you know what I'm talking about, again, this is going to lead you in a direction that try this on your own, see if you like it. If you have no clue what I'm talking about, it leads you in the direction of maybe you should sit down and talk with a financial professional. Question number 4, do you have the time to monitor, evaluate, and make periodic changes to your portfolio? This is the question I think is the most important. If you automatically ask yourself this question and said no, that leads in a direction that you should talk with someone. Because you're someone that doesn't want to do this for yourself. You want to be able to enjoy your life and not have to worry about this. That's where a financial advisor comes in. Our job is to monitor, evaluate, and make periodic changes for your portfolio. Our job is to give time back to you. So if you're someone that answered no to that question off the bat, that's going to lead you in the direction of you should talk with a financial advisor. If you're someone that does have the time and you want to try it out yourself, it's going to lead you in the direction that you should try this on your own. So those are 4 questions to ask yourself. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you so much. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.